Hey guys, I am so excited because today I get to do a rapid fire unboxing of the STEM Audio Hub. So when you receive your devices, I want to make sure you know what to expect when you open up your box. So let's check out what's inside. The first thing we're going to do is open the box, hence the unboxing. So what do we got? First thing we're going to see is some paperwork. We have the STEM Audio user agreement. We will place that to the side. And we have our hub user manual. Pretty straightforward. We have an overview of the device, how to set it up, how to mount the device if you choose to mount it behind the monitor on the wall. On the back side here, we have product specs, warranty, cool picture of the STEM ecosystem, and some information on how to contact customer service if you have any questions. Let's open up this cardboard flap here. And what do we have right below it? The STEM hub. Put that to the side just for a second because I want to show you the cables that come with it as well. How do we find the cables? We pull the cardboard up, and right below them, you will find a 15-foot Cat6 Ethernet cable and a 12-foot USB cable. That's everything in the box. Now let's jump to the main attraction, STEM Hub. Pretty straightforward here. With the device, you can see on the back, 2 holes to mount it to the wall. There's your connections, and that's it. That's a rapid fire unboxing of the STEM Hub. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. We are so excited for you to be installing your STEM Audio conference room any day now. Thanks for watching.